Hello everyone, how are you? Good morning. Um, I have something to share with you. So check this scenario. What a beautiful scenario. This is fog. Let's get inside the fog. Oh, check our moon baba. Sorry, sun baba. Suraj. Check this. Ah, we are inside the fog. I'm under the fog. Oh, this is fog. Oh my god. Wow, amazing. Uh, check the sun's light. Uh, Sunlight colliding the fog, and fog is creating color. Check this. Let's. Oh my god. This is what actually looks like. Okay, so let's get in a high place. Wait a moment. This is fog. This is fog. Thanks for watching. Bye.